Hey Ryan,
Hi, Anthony.
the bioethics class was very interesting, but I have a doubt. How do we call the patients correctly?
Good question. You can say sir for a man or madam for a lady. For example, who can I help you, sir?
Oh, I see. So if I see a male patient in the waiting room, I say, "Good morning, Mr. Smith."
Only the patient asks you to do it. We must respect their personal space fears to be good healthcare students.
What if the patient is a doctor too? Do I use doctor as a title?
Yes, but a clinical means it's better because it is neutral. You don't need to know in the patient is married.
And what happened if I don't know the last name of the patient in that moment?
Correct. It creates a comfortable environment for the treatment and the patient feels safe with us.
That is very useful and can use first name. For example, just calling a patient John.
It is very important, Anton. In the hospital, we generally use Mr. for a man and Miss for a woman to show respect.
I understand. Also, is Miss only for married women. I remember that from English class.
Exactly. Always use their last name after the title. It is the most professional way to start a physical therapy session.
You are right. Bioethics is about dignity. Using the correct the snow we care about the person.
Yes, you can use doctor last name, for example, Dr. Basantes. In bioethical, we reorganize their professional title and keep a formal distance.
Thanks, Ryan. Now I feel more confident for our clinical practice next week.
You will come, Anthony. Let's go to the cafeteria and practice their title with more examples. Bye.